Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin. So basically you need to create Coinbase account. If you don't have Coinbase account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create Coinbase account. So once you use the link, you will receive welcome bonus. So after doing that, after creating your account, you will find this on your home page. Then you will find this button on your left hand side around corner up of the app. Then you are going to press this. Then you will on your account, because your account is new, this learning reward you are going to find, like learning reward, they are going to be a so amount for you to learn and receive free crypto. For example, these are the money I've earned learning and answering questions on Coinbase. These are the questions, are the project I receive. I answer, and then I earn this money. So after earning the money, then you're going to go back to your home page, then come here to asset. Around the asset, you are going to find this token you mentioned. Maybe for example this token, and let's say you earn this token now, maybe $3 or $4. You're going to press this token like this. After pressing this, then press trade. You will use this convert. You just press convert. You see, convert to Bitcoin. We just press max. Basically there is no money on this account. I just have and it's not up to $1 self, so it's not up to 1 cent, so I can't convert. Basically you convert the coin you just earn, you convert to the Bitcoin. So that's how you earn free Bitcoin on Coinbase account, on your Coinbase account. Don't forget to use the link in the video description for you to be able to create account on Coinbase, and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for your time. See you on the next video. Tell me, what do you want to see on my video? What do you want me to talk about next on my video? Thank you for your time.